Uneven terrain or slopes causing erosion can totally wreck your yard and mess with your home's foundation if you don't handle it right. So, first thing you want to do is look at the slope and figure out where water is running off the most. Planting ground cover plants is clutch because they hold soil together and stop it from washing away. If your slope is pretty steep, putting in retaining walls can really help keep the dirt in place and make your yard look way nicer too. Another smart move is using erosion control blankets. They act like a shield for the soil while plants get established. Make sure you water new plants regularly at first so their roots get strong enough to hold the soil. Also, check that gutters and downspouts are directing water away from slopes so you're not adding to the problem. Mulching around plants helps keep moisture in and protects soil from heavy rain. And don't forget to fix any bare spots quickly before erosion gets worse. One of the biggest mistakes with uneven terrain and erosion control is ignoring how much water is flowing down your slope, which just makes everything worse. Fix this by observing after rain and adjusting drainage systems to redirect water safely. Another common issue is planting the wrong types of plants that don't have strong root systems. Go for native ground covers or grasses that can handle local conditions and hold soil tight. Lastly, people often skip installing retaining walls when needed because they think it's expensive or complicated, but even small, properly built walls can save tons of trouble and prevent costly damage later. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff on projects like erosion control and landscaping. It also helps contractors find good work, so everyone wins when it comes to making homes safer and more beautiful.